Breaking the wall. Achieving peak performance with endurance athlete nutrition. As an endurance athlete, your body needs proper nutrition during long training sessions and races. Here's a list of essential nutrients for endurance athletes. First, carbohydrates are crucial for providing energy during prolonged exercise. Aim for complex carbs like whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. Next, protein helps repair and rebuild muscle tissue. Opt for lean protein sources like chicken, fish, tofu, and beans. Remember, healthy fats like nuts, seeds, and avocados provide sustained energy and support brain function. Electrolytes like sodium, potassium, and magnesium are crucial for hydration and maintaining muscle and nerve function. Finally, drink plenty of water and electrolyte-rich beverages during exercise. Incorporating these essential nutrients into your diet can help optimize your endurance performance and support overall health. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please comment and subscribe to my channel.